This is how I make at least $150 every single day with ease. I'm going to teach you the step-by-step guide on how I actually practicalize these things and do it efficiently well for myself and my community members. Now, I've noticed over time that the problem is that a lot of you traders out there always try to catch a reversal. Excuse me. You always try to catch a reversal or try to catch the point where price is most likely to reverse from. Now, trading doesn't work that way. Okay? For a fact, trading doesn't work that way. In fact, do tell me your own challenge in the comment section and we're going to talk about it in the next video. Now, back to this. The first thing you need to do as a trader is to catch the trend. What is the trend saying? Are we bullish or bearish? When you can actually answer this big question, trading becomes very simple. Now, you get to filter out bad trades from good trades. You begin to actually see the market as a means to make money and not just to gamble. All right, now look, guys, if you can't tell where price is coming from, that means you cannot actually tell where price is going to. Now, at a first glance, you should be able to determine if you are supposed to buy or if you are supposed to sell. Now, I believe this is one of your biggest challenge. You do not know when to buy and you do not know when to sell. So this video is specially made for you. Stick around to the very end. Don't go nowhere. Turn on your post notification on this video. Subscribe because I'm going to be making similar videos like this that will help you grow your account. Now, let us take a very good look at this chart. Sonic USDT. I gave this signal on my Telegram channel and has been doing exceedingly well. In fact, we've smashed our take profits on this particular signal. And I'm going to show you how we got this and how we got it right. First things first, we want to look at the trend. Are we bullish or bearish? You can easily tell that this chart is bearish. You can easily tell that this chart is bearish. See how we are moving. We are moving what? Making consecutive lows. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. From your simple market structure, you can actually tell that this is a bearish trend. Now, we want to catch a continuation. The trick here is to trade continuations. You have no business trying to catch reversals. Continuation is the best bet, guys. Continuations. Now, let's look again. I'm going to go over to 15 minutes now and see if there's a continuation pattern, and I will teach you how to catch these continuations and how to catch it very, very easily. Now, just watch. Okay, just have a good watch. Look at this chart. Where do you think the continuation to the downside happened again? All right, look at this very, very clearly. Now, I'm going to show you. Just stick around. I'm going to show you right now. Now, the first move is to actually mark out our impulsive move. Look at this chart. We have different impulsive moves, but the one I want to take now is this guy here. I want to go with this impulsive move. Now, I want to go with this one. Let me zoom in so that you see it. This impulsive move. Now, the reason I'm going with this impulsive move is because it had a break of structure immediately after it. It had what? A break of structure immediately after it. So I will take that level as my impulsive move. Now, I will also mark out, I'm going to mark out the first retracement after that impulsive move, which was here. So now I have a range. So what am I going to do with this range? Immediately price breaks out of this range to the upside. I'm trading down, but I want to see that liquidity is taken out. So immediately price trades out of the range, right? And breaks this final low here. Okay, I begin to sell immediately. Now, this is a confirmation that price has taken all participants away from the market. Those who were selling and those who were buying the breakout. Now, those who were buying the breakout were here. They bought this breakout here. And guess what? Price stopped them out. So I will come now. Immediately price breaks this low here. Those who were taking the sell from this break of structure, I will start selling immediately. Or I place my entry at this inducement level. All right. For those of you who do not know how to trade inducement, just let me know in the comment section. Just type MJ or just type the concept you want me to talk about, and we're going to trade it. Okay. We're going to actually make a video for that. Now, I'll just put my entry right here. And when price tags in here, I begin to sell. I begin to sell massively. Can you see this? I begin to sell massively. This gave me a 1 to 4 risk to reward because I got in late. I actually got in somewhere around here. Put my stop loss here and I sold all the way down to this point. I sold all the way down to this point. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. This hack I'm showing you can actually conveniently pay your bills easily, because we already know we are in a downtrend. So we want to trade a continuation and want to ensure that all participants have been swept out of the market. So guys, this is an amazing strategy. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video, drop a comment. Tell me your trading challenge in the comment section. I want to know. So I'm going to use that as a metric to make more videos for you, to empower you and to make sure that you actually can have a successful trading journey while you trade, right? This is MJ Crypto. One love. Peace out to you guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. Cheers.